In this instructional video, we will show you how to use the Numberline with Steps tool in your presenter file. You can use the tool as soon as the cursor is active. Click on a unit in the number line. The number is now invisible. If you click on the empty card, the number reappears. You can hide all the numbers by clicking on the Hide All Numbers button. You can then click on the empty cards or on the Show All Numbers button to make all numbers visible again. You can hide a number of randomly chosen numbers by clicking on the At Random button. Click on the Reset button to restore all numbers to the number line. You will see various paint pots next to the Control button in the tool. Click on a paint pot and then on a card to change the colour of the card. You can show and hide the numbers by clicking on the Control button. Open the Settings menu to adjust the series of numbers and the step size. Would you like more information about this tool? Click on the Information button. You are now set to use the tool Numberline with Steps. Open Presenter and get going.